I'm going to show you how you can make a playlist using VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a free software and it's available for both Windows and Mac computers. You search on the internet for VLC Media Player download, and once you have downloaded it, install the program. Once it's installed, it will create a shortcut on your desktop that resembles this that I'm showing you here. Now open this shortcut and a window that looks like this will appear. If it does not appear, notice along the menu bar here it has second to last view and playlist. Now because it was opened the other way before, when I click it again it switched. It's like a light switch. It went back to this, and I think this is the default. This is the default appearance. Now if when you open your media player it looks like this and you need to make a playlist, here are the menus, the same thing. Click on view and playlist. Once it's open, we're back to where we started. And you select, here's playlist over here on the left, and you in this white space over here you can either drag and drop your files, or you can right click with your mouse and select from the menu, the pull down menu, add file. Now once that happens, you will come again to where you're going to get the files from. So you select your file location. I happen to want these files because I've been here before, and now I'm going to select all 3 files. So I hold down my shift button, select the first and the last file, and then I say open. Now here is my playlist, and what I can do is I can play these files as is, or I can have these files loop around. But once I've closed this list, this play here, this playlist, the files may disappear, will disappear. I want to keep the files so I can use and reuse as many times as possible. So in the same area, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say save playlist to a file. I do that. Now the option comes up, and I don't want the playlist to have the name of the first file or a file in the list. So I'm going to rename my playlist and call it service. There's service files. So I'm going to call it service. And also I don't want the files, wherever I want to save the files, I find that location. In this instance, I want to save it on my desktop. So I'm going to choose desktop. I could be saving it anywhere on my USB drive if I need, but this time I want to save it on my desktop. I am going to create a new file folder, and I'm going to just simply right click again and select new and call that file folder. Select folder, call that folder. Since I have a B already, I could call this one as C playlist. Let me move that cursor out of the way. playlist B. Okay, so once I've created that file, I deleted it. New folder, playlist. Playlist B, and save it. It's a mistake. And now that the file folder is there, I want to save this file service into playlist B. So I have to open the file, and now I can say save. I am done with this temporary thing, and so I'm going to close it. And now I have my playlist B here. I had saved it before. And now I can double click it and open it. And here is the file. Now this file has 3 separate files in it. When I click to play, you'll see it starts. And if I go to the end, it has a last file which you hadn't seen, but take my word. When it gets to the end here, it will keep replaying and replaying and replaying. If you click loop. Otherwise, without loop, it will stop. So with loop, of course, you know, you can leave it, do what you want, and it will continue playing for as long as you have it in loop until you stop it. Thank you for watching.